Okay, here we try to solve one numerical on productivity. Okay, so first we go through the numerical. Quickly we read the numerical. Okay, so first here, just wait. Hmm. So bank employ three officers, each working 8 hours per day. Each officer processes an average of 5 loans per day. The bank payroll cost for officer is $820 per day, and there is the daily overhead expenses is $500. So first sub question, compute the labor productivity. The sub question, second sub question, compute multi-factor productivity using lon per dollar cost as the measure. Okay, so this is the thing. Now the bank is considering the purchase of new computer software for the loan operation, and the software will enable each loan officer to process 8 loan per day, although the overhead expenses will increase to $550. Okay, so here he tried to Miss Bank tried to apply and consider the new software implement in the bank, and after that the overhead is increases, means instead of 500, 550 as mentioned in this question. Here you can see that particular thing. Okay, so now just wait. Okay, so the after applying the software, their overhead is increases. Okay, means instead of 500 now 550. So there you need to calculate, after applying the software you need to calculate the new labor productivity, compute the new multi-factor productivity, and the E means sub question is like that: should the bank proceed with the purchase of new software, or without purchasing the software is it okay? So how you can decide we need to proceed with the software? Okay, so we try to solve this numerical. Just wait. Okay, so how to solve this problem? And first part we need to calculate as a sub question A, compute the labor productivity. Okay, so I try to here compute the labor productivity. Just wait. Okay, so here how to find out the labor productivity is nothing but the ratio of output and input. Output is, we know that that is the loan, number of loan sanction per day, and divided by input. Input is labor hour. Okay, so here just wait. Okay, so here you can see like the labor productivity is nothing but the ratio of output and input. So 3 officer and 5 loan per day, so 3 into 5 is nothing but the output, and 3 officer spend 8 hours, so that is the labor time. You can say that is the 3 into 8, 24. So if we find out the ratio, then it's a 0.625 loan per labor hour. Okay, now we need to calculate the compute the multi-factor productivity. So how to calculate the multi-factor productivity, that we quickly discuss here. Okay, so the multi-factor productivity, we know that activity, and there we account for both labor cost and overhead cost. So we know that the productivity is nothing but the output divided by input. In multi-factor we need to consider, means input here labor cost plus overhead cost. Okay, so output we know that 3 officer and 5 loan per day, and if we divide with 820, that is the labor charge per day in rupee per dollar. Okay, per dollar, uh, means dollar, 820 dollar per day is the charge uh, charged by officer, and 500 is the overhead charge. So after calculating we get the productivity 0.0113 loan per dollar. Okay, so now we calculated the b part of this numerical. Now there is the c, compute the new labor productivity. Then how to calculate the new labor productivity? We know that the new output after applying the software, the new output is 8 loan per day pass, as mentioned here. 8 loan per day you can pass. Okay, so 8, this 8 means the output is 8 into the 3 officer there, so 24. And if we divide with the input is nothing but 3 officer 8 hour. Okay, so here I try to calculate the new labor productivity quickly. Okay, so we know that it is nothing but the output means loan, number of loan divided by input means labor per hours. Okay, so here 3 officer into 8 loan. After implementing you can pass 8 loan per day, 8 loans per day. Okay, divided by 3 officer and 8 hour is the total working time, 8 hour per day. So now the productivity is 1 loan per labor hour. So like that. Okay, now next thing is like how to calculate the new multi-factor productivity, that is the D's of question. So new multi-factor productivity. Okay, so here we know that the output is 3 officer 8 loan, 3 officers into 8 loan per day. If we divide okay, input means labor cost is 820 per officer cost per day, and the overhead now increase 500 to 550. Okay, so what is the our new productivity? Multi-factor productivity is 0.0175. Why multi-factor? Because here overhead also considered. Okay, so 0.0175 loan per dollar. This is the new multi-factor productivity. Okay, so if we purchase the new software, then what is the case? We need to go for new software or not? That here we try to discuss here in E section. Purchasing purchasing the new software would increase the labor productivity, would increase labor productivity. Okay, so here the new labor productivity is one we already calculated in our C section. In A section we calculated the old, that is the 0.625, and if we divide 0.625 then it is approx 60%. So 60% productivity improvement will be done if we implement the new software, and would increase the multi-factor productivity also. I try to would increase multi-factor productivity. Okay, so here just wait. Multi-factor productivity. So here we can see the previous one, the new one is 0.0175 multi-factor as we calculated. The old one is 0.0113 divided by 0.0113, then it is approx 55%. Okay, so we can say it is certainly worth the added overhead also. Okay, so here you can increase the overhead also, and software if you apply then productivity improve. So worker also means your loan manager also happy with the software, as well as the there you increase the overhead, so it increase the happiness of your officer, and productivity of your plant increased by 60%, and multi-factor productivity increased by 55%. So you can see how technology will improve the productivity. Okay, so here I quickly try to explain how to calculate the labor productivity is nothing but the output and input ratio, and that is the 0.625. Then multi-factor, there you need to add labor as well as the overhead, and the multi-factor you calculated. Now new productivity, this is the C part after applying the software, and that is the one. New multi-factor is 0.0175 as calculated here, and the purchasing of the new software increased the 60% labor productivity, and multi-factoring productivity increased by 50%. So it is certainly worth, and it is added the overhead, because before overhead is 500 rupees, now overhead by the bank is 550. So worker means the officer are happy, the number of loan now passes more, and means the productivity of your bank is increased. So it is means like that we need to go for the new software for our bank, it is worth. So that's all about for this lecture. Thank you.